What is up, my kings and queens? Okay, y'all, so this vlog, we're going to Huntsville. We're going to C6. Y'all don't know, I'm a part of C8, the great. Gotcha. And yeah, so like, let's get into the video. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Okay, B&B. B&B.
Ooh, they got coffee, y'all.
What? Oh, where?
I thought they got coffee.
Oh, really? Okay, period. Appliances.
Ooh, bitch, they got drinks, y'all. Come here.
Wait. Hold on, she gonna charge us for that? We need to read, cause I ain't getting no.
Everything that was complimentary, we cleared it out, snacks and all, yup.
Okay, washroom. Okay, washroom. Like, what? What is this? Oh, it's a garage. We should have parked in the garage. How? We can't get in the garage?
I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, we finna change right quick.
Girl.
Go! Go! I'm trying to record the house. She's about to put them clothes on.
We don't got time for that right now, boo.
We don't. Go! Oh, I like this bathroom. Hold on. Let me see y'all bathroom. I'm going to everybody's bathroom. So. Oh. Okay, for real.
Let me do this.
Caitlin picked this room, y'all. She was not thinking big, but it's okay. Get into the fit.
CA in the building. 5 chap stand up.
There he is. Let me see the vein. Hello.
A lot of things are going to be sped up or cut short to avoid copyright. Okay, y'all, get into my LB tape bun. Custom apparel, don't play with the jackets.
Did you do that for my nigga sister?
I did. It was too much going on for real.
It was. It was a lot of
Julie was like, yeah, fuck that. We finna start our own life. I said, yeah, I'm with myself. Where you at? Cause, no man.
I wish I would have known. I would have been over there shot. Girl, I was telling out. The line that y'all started, I was all the way at the end.
A whole bunch of people got behind us?
Yes, I was all the way at the end. Like a hundred people in the show. Bitch, I'm telling it out. I'm telling it out. I'm telling it out.
Bye. Then we gotta dance over. I wouldn't record.
I'm Tay, how y'all doing?
Yeah, we in Huntsville, but let's not forget who the biggest is. Big 404. Like, what's up?
I am a job. Ready? Everybody?
What that TikTok say? No sleep, touchdown, performance, party, another club, another club.
Custom ranges. No bars.
Oh yeah, the HA2 after party was hosted at Icon Ultra Lounge, but I was not finna take no vlogging camera in the club. Like, sorry, next time probably.
Tell them what we doing.
Can you hear me?
We can hear.
Can you hear me?
This song gonna always hit. Oh my God.
All right, February, January, March, April, May, June, July, August.
I really be cracking myself and everybody else up. Like, I'm really naturally funny. I'm really a mixture of both of my parents. Like, it just don't get no better than this.
Oh my God, top of the morning, like,
We matching. Go Mari, go Mari, go Mari, go Mari.
yeah, child.
Yeah, what, girl?
You know, that's how the aunties be when they have to walk away, then they have to come back to the phone. They be like, yeah, child.
I'm sure like, yeah, what?
I'm an auntie now, so yeah. Oh, say hey to my vlog.
It's Shiny Mo.
I'm dead.
Hey, oh, don't look at me. I know y'all miss me. Guys seen me on a vlog in a little minute.
I'm dead. I gotta put on mascara. I'm not wearing no lashes.
What's up, y'all?
Child, we had to take a little air break. See? It's packed over there.
Me and my sibs crossed in August, and we about to be a year in a few months because it's already April. And I just want to say, to love HA2 is to be HA2, is to breathe, it's the shit, it's to eat HA2 like. It really is a lifestyle. Like, my life will never be the same after joining this, in a good way. Like, you join a family at your school, but you also have all these other chapters. There are 14 chapters. You meet so many people. It's crazy. But yeah, to conclude my little rant, I just want to say I love my org. Slow Juke is definitely one of my favorite HA2 dances, so I definitely had to get my piece. Y'all already know, anywhere Bama State students go, they gotta do counts. But Taraya and Rhea are actually singing, so they get a pass. But yeah, literally can't go nowhere without folks doing counts. It's ridiculous. My sisters be eating though. I was gonna start recording, but I was like, ooh, I gotta get this one. She's eating the girls up.
Let's go!
Welcome to HA2 culture. We gets down and dirty. It's battle time. I play too much. No, you see my sister Coldwater eating the boys up. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, y'all are missing out. I posted so much during this week. Like, follow me on Instagram, y'all. Ken, if you see this, I'm just trying to figure out, how did you get up there? But period, we leave. Wah, wah. Bow, 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 bow.
My voice is gone, y'all. A time was had. You hear me? A time was had. The time did not have me. I had the time.
And y'all know I ain't lying, because you can see it in the wig.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Grandma, for sending me $50. Because now I'm finna go to church. Period. Miss Girl over here don't even have a voice. I'm trying to tell me I miss our Carly.
She is.
And I can't tell no now.
You can't.
She needs to be worried about that throat. Well, that voice not there. While she worried about me.
You niggas ain't worried about no throat.
Yes, sir.
I'm a real nigga. Point blank, period.
What does the audience have to say?
I have no words, actually.
Lost it.
So, like, somebody put me down. What is the aesthetic of Cheddar's? Like, what are you supposed to give? Because, honestly, the food wasn't all that, but I was starving, so I tore it up. And I took whatever I eat home. So, I don't know if y'all caught on or not yet, but pretty much every night that we was here in Huntsville, we had a little debriefing session at nighttime. You know, decompress, vent, chit-chat, sibling stuff.
Oh, not as bad as it is in Georgia.
It's fucking with me.
It's way worse in Georgia, for real.
Come on, Pilot.
It's way
in
worse
Alabama,
in Georgia.
it's so many trees. This the tree state.
I'm dead. He told us, you for real?
Yes, it's called the tree state.
Very son of every day.
Hey, there's hella trees in this motherfucker.
Oh no, Birmingham is known as the Magic City and the Tree City as well. We have a whole bunch of fucking trees and it'd be a whole bunch of pollen. Allergy season in Birmingham? Oh no.
Oh no. You ain't say no.
I'm from Atlanta with the bougie bitches and dope boys.
Sorry. Okay.
Leftovers.
Sorry, y'all.
Bless you.
It's
Bless
just so
you. Real
much.
bad.
Thank you. I need that allergy medicine.
I hate pollen season.
I hate that shit too.
Yeah.
That should be fucking.
Better for me die, y'all. It's literally dying right now.
See, I was gonna walk in here and pretend like I just be getting straight in the shower, but I really always just go in the bathroom, stand in the mirror, look at myself, text on the phone, watch TikTok, take my makeup off, sit on the toilet for a minute just because, don't even use the bathroom. Then I get in the shower. But, I mean, this is my life, so I'm gonna do what I wanna do. The shower usually don't be running though, so, but it is in this case. I'm not even gonna lie, like at this point it had to be like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. I might be exaggerating, but I know for a fact I wouldn't sleep at 5 a.m.
So y'all, we finna be back on the way back to school from Hunts Vegas. I'm finna go back to this park and look for my Pandora bracelet because I just looked at my videos. I had that Pandora bracelet on when I got out this car at that park. Didn't have it on when I got back to the room, and I'm not leaving Huntsville until I find my bracelet.
Somebody is out here finna go pay their rent with my freaking Pandora bracelet, y'all. I did not find it. I searched high and low. Dude, I might as well have dig deep through the dirt or something the way I was looking and still ain't find it.
Never not wear my bracelet. That's why I realized as soon as we got back that I didn't have my bracelet.
I'm beyond devastated, and I did cry. I don't care. Mind you, I done texted everybody and their mom about this bracelet. I done texted other chapter e-boards and all.
So once we do that, then we can get on the road. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And follow me on Instagram at Miss J. And stay blessed.